Hi there, I'm Dr. Jeff Grosskopf. I practice in Wauwatosa in Sussex, Wisconsin, and I focus on patients who have had injuries from car accidents. Now, the most important thing that you could likely do is find a great doctor. However, I always recommend that you hire an attorney or at least speak to an attorney. And I think there's a few reasons people don't hire an attorney. One, they think their injuries aren't bad enough, or they're just worried. They don't know how it all works, how they're going to pay for that. And the reality is, first, from a medical standpoint, if you've been in a car accident, 70% of people who are in a car accident, and even if you think it's minor, or you have aches and pains, but they go away, 70% of those patients down the road, they have chronic problems. They have chronic neck pain, headaches, vertigo, low back pain, sciatic pain, or injured discs. You need to get evaluated by a doctor like myself who knows these injuries and can find these injuries and make sure that they're taken care of right away. But also, you need an attorney that knows these injuries and can represent you so that down the road, you're not suffering, because if you wait too long, you're not going to be able to get the settlement that you deserve. Here in my practice in the Milwaukee area, I've met over 40 personal injury attorneys in the market. So I know them, and I know the attorneys that are good, that are bad, that really want to work with you, get to know you, and that know these injuries. And so if you've been in an accident, I would recommend first call our office. There are no out-of-pocket costs to you if we start treatment, if you've been the victim of an accident. So you don't want to worry about the financial impact. And if you have injuries to your spine or to your brain, if you've had a concussion, you need to get them properly documented and treated. One, to fully recover from your health so that you don't have long-term problems. But you also need to find these injuries, have them documented so that you can get the best settlement. What I will do with my patients here is, after the evaluation, whatever injuries we find, I'm going to recommend to you the best attorney that's going to help you in your case. And with attorneys, the other thing my patients often worry about is how are they going to pay for it. Attorneys work on a contingency, meaning they get paid when they settle your case and they get you a settlement. If you've been in a car accident, there's almost no upfront cost. You can come in and get care at our office. You can hire an attorney and work towards your settlement. And myself and attorneys, they're only going to take you on and help you get better when they know they can help you. They're not going to let you run up bills and then leave you with a big debt. Take action if you've been in a car accident. Find me, schedule an exam, get in, let me find you an attorney. I'm happy to do that for you. But the question of whether or not you should hire an attorney if you've been in an accident, absolutely you should hire an attorney. Get a great doctor, a great attorney. It's a great combination to help you recover, not only with your health, but financially.